Tiktuk Masoret HaMikra, Parashat Acharei Mot 4. In Perek Yudchet, Pasuk Kaf Gimel, there's a word that needs explanation. It is the word tevel. The Pasuk says, V'cho behema lo titen shechoftecha letom ava, v'isha lo ta'amod, lifnei behema l'riv'a tevel hu. When the species are mixed, unfortunately, in a terrible case where an animal and a human somehow have conjugal relations, it's called tevel hu, tevel. And the question is, what does it mean? The word means, what does tevel mean? Rashi says, he brings two different interpretations. The first, the tav, the bet, the lamed, they're all from the particular shoresh, the noun, the root of the word. And it means, ervav and ni'uf, it means a terrible deprivation that's occurring. But the letters tav, bet, lamed are the shoresh itself. And he brings an example there from a pasuk in Yeshayahu. Then he brings a second case where he says it could mean also that it has to do with the word mixing, belila ve'irbuv. When you mix the zera of the adam and the zera behema, the seed of the human along with the animal, then of course it's a deprived, terrible, destructive kind of thing, and it comes from the word balal, bet lamed lamed, which means to mix. The Ibn Ezra also seems to say that, and he brings two different interpretations, but both are on the basis of the word, the root of the word balal, bet lamed lamed. The first, he says, Anshe Hadiktuk, the grammarians before him say, yeah, it comes from balal, but the tav is nosaf. In other words, it's an extra letter that doesn't belong there. Tevel, it means the tav is an extra letter that's for usage, but it's really bet lamed, and there's a lamed that's missing. Tevalel, or tevalel, from that standpoint. And the first explanation is that the word tevel means, similar to what Rashi said, hashchata, a deprived, terrible situation. Now he says, v'yesh omrim, kigam mabul mimenu, that from the root of the word balal, the word mabul comes from that particular indication too, from hashchata. The mabul destroyed everything. So even though the shoresh is bet lamed lamed, it could still mean hashchata, a destruction that occurs in the case of mabul, of course, of the earth, and with the other, it's a destruction of the species. And then the other way he brings the explanation is it could also come from the word balal, the same thing, the root, but it could mean balal Hashem sifat kol haaretz, very similar to the fact when the particular incident occurred in Bereshit, where Kadosh Baruch Hu mixed all the people together with the languages. He mixed up all the different languages, and it comes from, it's like le'arev, to mix as well. Similar to what Rashi said before. Now there, again, the shoresh is still balal, bet lamed lamed, but the meaning of that is to le'arev, to mix. And that's what occurred with Dora Palaga at the time, where HaKadosh Baruch Hu mixed up all the languages so that people wouldn't understand one another and cause, it turns out, a defiance of HaKadosh Baruch Hu.